Welcome back to Outdoor Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be finishing up the emissions delete on our KA24DE, so stay tuned. To finish up the emissions delete, you have to take off this piece here, which is a part of the butterfly valve that goes through the intakes. To fully take that out, there's 12 bolts all along here that you have to take off to get this intake manifold off. Once those are off, then I will show you how to get the rest of it out. Keep in mind they are a 12 mil bolt. Okay, so as you see, I've got the intake off. Do note, when taking it off, there will be a bracket right here. It bolts in right there, and it'll bolt into the underside of the intake. It's it's a brace, and then you got this line here, and these two coolant lines. This one here is a PVC line or PVC valve, so try not to break that one. I just disconnected it at this end, kind of leaned it up there. That's all you really need to know for that. As you can see, these are the butterfly valves. That'll be attached to this. That's what we're going to be deleting, is these 4 little runners, and then the bar that goes in there, as well as this. Okay, so to do this, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a precision Phillips screwdriver for the butterflies. Now, the best way is we're going to be popping these off here. There's a couple little like safety retainer C-clips there. There we go. Take that out. Now, the reason I'm doing that first is that allows me to, once you take this bar off, allows me to keep those butterfly valves closed. There we go. Okay, now that we've got that bracket off there, like I said, there's bolts in here, a Phillips screwdriver. That is the butterfly valve that's in there. Now we just repeat this. Now the only thing left to do is there's one Phillips screw right in the middle here that holds this bar in. I'm going to loosen that off here. I recommend keeping this screw, because then you put it back in there. And that's it. Now the only thing left to do is just block this little hole off here so you don't have a vacuum leak. And after that, you're completely done with the emissions. And that concludes this episode. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos on this build. And thank you, and have yourself a wonderful day.